We're about to make raspberry-topped molten lava cakes, a fun and gluten-free dessert perfect for Valentine's Day or any other occasion. The ingredients for the cakes are bittersweet chocolate or dark chocolate for its added antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits, butter, eggs and egg yolks, and sugar. For the raspberry sauce, you'll need orange juice, water, squished raspberries, and sugar. Before starting, preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Melt the chocolate and the butter together in a double boiler, or in a pot that's set inside of another pot of boiling water. At the same time, whisk the sugar, eggs, and egg yolks together. Then gradually whisk in the melted chocolate and butter. Pour the batter into a buttered muffin pan, cake molds, or custard cups and bake for 7.5 minutes. Either before making the cakes or while they're in the oven, squish about half of a container of raspberries until you have half of a cup. Mix the squished raspberries with the orange juice, water, and sugar. Once the cakes have baked and sat for a few minutes, flip them out onto plates. Top them with raspberry sauce or any additional toppings like whipped cream, or serve with a glass of milk.